is Purity. I do vlogs around lifestyle and anything in between. So in our today's vlog, I'm just from work. It's around it's a weekend. I'm just from work. I want to unplait my hair and do my hair because I'm planning to plait it tomorrow, which is on a Sunday. So I'm going to remove my hair, then I wash, I blow dry, then I'll go to the salon tomorrow. So kindly stick with me, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down comment. So I'm done with undoing my hair. I've just cut randomly. I did not want to damage I will just remove slowly. Then this is the hair that I'll plait tomorrow. It is still the same hairstyle, but now a different color. I'm going to plait this one tomorrow. This one, which is number 27. Focus, and this is what I will play. So this is the natural me. I sweat because it is very hot this side, but I love the hairstyles. Literally served me well. But I'll undo it today. Then tomorrow I'll go and play it again. Look at my face. Are you seeing the dark spots? But I'm working on them. So let's have juice before we continue with undoing. Imagine I've cut my own hair. This is my natural hair, this one. But I'm done. I'm done. So I'm done with undoing my hair. What is remaining is just the cornrows. So these cornrows, I'll remove them tomorrow. I'm done. I'm tired, but then nimekata nywele yangu weye. Hey. Where is it? Hey. This is my natural hair. Nimekata. Good morning, friends. How are you doing? It's the next day. It's on Sunday. Yesterday I was undoing my hair, so I've just woken up. I'm done with preparing breakfast. I'm having porridge. Then I want to do my morning Bible study. I want to read my Bible because I'm not going to church today. So I want to read that Bible, then go and do laundry. Imagine I have to do laundry. Wash utensils, these are my dirty utensils, do laundry, wash utensils, and do my cornrows, then go to the salon. Have a lot of things to do, but I'm hoping to manage before 1, I should be done with washing utensils and doing my hair and washing even the house and also the laundry. And after 2, that is when I'll go to the salon. So spend a day with me, stick with me, subscribe if you haven't, leave me a sweet comment, please. out. I'm in a hurry because my salonist has just called me. So this is the hair I've gone for. This one. I'm going to plait the same hairstyle that I had, but now the color is brown here. So let's head out. I've worn this top and just tight because it's just a local salon. It's not a big deal. I'm just going there, so I'll vlog if I'll be allowed to. And so let's head out. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like my videos, then please share my videos so that your friends can also subscribe. Please, let's grow. I'm coming from the salon. I'm looking so good. Thank you for watching till this point. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Comment down. I love you all. Guess who is back from the salon? Take a minute and appreciate my hairstyle. Guess who's going to slay this week? It's over for you guys. It's over. I'm looking so good. I love the hairstyle. The lady was plaited me. She has done the perfect job. I'll post the inspo of what I was going for and what I've gotten. But I literally love my hair. Then you know that feeling of making your hair the first day, like your face goes snatched, then you just look pretty, then you become a little bit more brown than the way you are, like your complexion, the best. Yeah, I literally love my hair. So thank you for watching till this point. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're on the road to 500. Please subscribe, and kindly share my videos. Yeah, I love you all. Look at me. Next week Monday I'm here to bounce because my hair is made. My nails I've not made them, but I just really love them. So kindly subscribe if you haven't. Let me stop yapping. I love you all. So till next time. Bye. Bye.